So you'll find these dotted around London, in central London mostly. There's only 13 left, I think. These green little sheds, most people don't know what they are, but they're cabmen shelters. So they're designed to feed and shelter black taxi drivers. So they open early in the morning. This one I'm looking at today closes at 2 o'clock. I'm in Kensington Park Road, which is just down the road from the Royal Albert Hall next to Hyde Park. They're fabulous little things. I've just had a fantastic breakfast there. So you're not allowed to go inside. Well, I'm not allowed to go inside because I'm not a black cab driver, but you can be served from the outside and get some takeaway there. So loads of sort of workmen and local fellas and all that are just buying their bacon and egg rolls and stuff like that. I had a bacon and egg roll. I had a bacon and brown sauce roll, massive, really massive. 2 cups of coffee, that was 12 quid, which is bugger all, just nothing. Really, really cheap, especially around these areas where it's very, very, you know, hoity-toity and expensive. So there is a story that Frank Sinatra actually went inside this particular one some years ago. He must have been doing something at the Royal Albert Hall, and they let him in for a cup of tea. So that's the story or the legend. But yeah, they are really marvellous little things. There's a charity fund, you know, set up around them, and I'll leave some links below for the others that I can find. And like I said, I think there are 13 left now, mostly in central London, and they're a little perfect gem, cheap, beautiful, busy, lovely, original grub. So it was in 1875 that the first shelter in St John's Wood apparently was set up. They went on to be 61 at one point, down to 13 right now. All the buildings, which are really kind of, they're beautiful once you see them, but they're pretty sort of nondescript, you miss them quite easily, are grade 2 listed buildings. So yeah, they're protected, and so they should be. Okay, so what I've got here is a bacon roll, a bacon and egg roll with brown sauce, and 2 cups of coffee, 2 lattes. Bargain. £12, 12 quid. Really, really good. What a great place that was. Wow. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.